I like to place beads while I'm knitting rather than pre-stringing them for a couple of reasons. One, while you're placing the beads when you knit, that way you're not rubbing the beads up and down the length of yarn and possibly stripping the yarn, and also you don't have to pre-string, which is so nice. Then also the beads stay put exactly where you want them to be. So today I have basically the same method, but I'm going to show you how to do it with 3 different tools. The first one here is a crochet hook, and this is a teeny tiny steel hook number 8. And I really love this. It's got this kind of ergonomic grip, and it makes it a lot easier for me to place the beads. So what I do is I just dip in here and get a bead on my hook. And here's a little swatch. I like to place the bead on the back side of the stitch. Now I'm going to take my crochet hook, hook the stitch, push that bead over the stitch, pull the stitch off the needle, put the stitch back right where it was, and then I'm going to work the stitch as usual. In this case, it's a purl. And there you have a nice bead that won't go anywhere. It'll stay where it's put. So I'm not doing this in pattern. I'm just doing this to show you the next method. So this lovely stuff here is called Oral-B Super Floss, and it's for people who wear braces. It has a stiff end to it, then it's got a nice little fuzzy part here, and that keeps your beads put. And if you want to travel, you can string a whole bunch of beads on the end with this knot and just keep them. So this is basically done in the same way as the crochet hook. It's a little bit more fiddly for me though. I'm going to stick that hard end through here, double it up. Now I'm going to shove a bead over. See, I have that stitch hooked, and the bead is going to get right over that stitch and back on the needle. And as before, I'm just going to work it. Okay, last, if you have a kid with braces, or like me, you just had braces, you might have some of these lying around. These are dental floss threaders. And what you can do with these is open them up. And you can use them in pretty much the same way as the Oral-B. Stick it through. Okay. Put those 2 ends together. Grab a bead. Stick both of those ends through. You may need cheaters. I certainly do, but I don't have them on me. But there we go. Pull it all the way through. Now you have that bead on the stitch. You're ready to pull it off the needle. Grab that bead, push it down, put it back on the needle, and work the stitch as usual. So there you have it. Placed beads, and they're not going to go anywhere. They're going to stay exactly where you put them.